Hi, I'm Jason Bradbury and I'm back here in East London with the creative team and the developers to see how the competition winners AR CVs are being put together. You can check out some behind the scenes footage, get some tech tips and some coding wizardry and better understand the whole process behind an AR CV.
Hi, I'm George Medvey and I'm lead developer here at Square Circle. What I'm going to do is give you a brief overview of how we built the AR CVs. The first thing that we do is we create assets. To use these assets we use a various range of programs going from After Effects, Cinema 4D and Photoshop. Once these assets have been created, we bring them into Flash. Some of these are brought in as Flash animations using FLV. And some of the main character in particular is created as an MP4 because into the MP4 we use cue points. These cue points are used to keep the background animations and any other animations that we have in the file in check. I've actually programmed it using a framework called Robot Legs. Robot Legs is an MVC-S framework. And I use the framework itself to interpret the configuration data, whether it's coming from an XML file or video cue point data. What I use Robot Legs for is to interpret the cue points which are coming in from the video, any data files, any data configuration files as well for the FLAR manager, and basically what the Robot Legs the model part of this does is it dispatches events which are picked up by mediators which talk to the relative panels or animations. For the augmented reality I decided to go with the FLAR Manager. FLAR Manager utilises the AR toolkit, and with the FLAR Manager I can actually set particular settings in the AR toolkit. Some of the problems we encountered were background animations and pop-ups not syncing to the main character as he was gesturing. To solve this, what we used were cue points actually inside the After Effects file. These are triggered at certain points, and as I mentioned earlier, the Flash picks these up and they actually sync up with a configuration file triggering a particular animation. The other main issue we had was actually the marker tracking. What was happening is as you were moving the marker across the screen, sometimes the lock on the actual symbol would be lost. To edit this we had to play about with some of the values in the configuration file, as well as editing stuff inside the action script. Some of the values in the action script, what they enabled you to do was to actually create a smooth animation from point A to point B.
Well, that should certainly help their CV stand out from the pile. But of course, CWJobs have got all kinds of other ways of improving your CV. So, for more ideas, visit CWJobs' Career Advice section. Thanks for watching.